Pluto is not a large object. It only has 1/6 the mass of Earth's moon and 1/3 its volume. The orbital plane is 17.1 degrees off-kilter from the ecliptic, or Earth's orbital plane. Pluto is rotating 57 degrees from the solar equator. It spins retrograde, clockwise. Pluto and Charon are both tidally locked to each other. They orbit each other, spinning around like ice skaters holding hands. Charon is approximately half the size of Pluto. This is a true binary planet system, unlike the Earth and Moon, where their axis is well within the main object, and the larger object is not tidally locked to the smaller one. There are at least 4 other orbiting moonlets following Pluto, a sort of cosmic paparazzi. Pluto's orbit is not aligned with the rest of the solar system. Pluto's orbit is massively elliptical and tilted. It takes 248 years for Pluto to complete one orbit around the Sun. When Pluto reaches perihelion, something it does every 124 years, it actually crosses into the orbit of Neptune. From above, it appears that Pluto intersects Neptune's orbit. However, because of the severe inclination of 17.1 degrees, when Pluto's path crosses Neptune's, it's always above or below Neptune. Pluto has at least 5 moons: Charon, Styx, Nix, Erebos, and Hydra. The satellite's eccentricity and inclination are all less than 1 degree around Pluto's equator. These objects aren't orbiting around Pluto, they are orbiting around the barycenter, which is a point in space 2,035 kilometers from Pluto's center. Pluto's radius is 1,188 kilometers, which puts the barycenter at 847 kilometers from the surface of Pluto. These moons have interesting orbital resonances, or rhythmic relationships. We will talk about these in a future video. Pluto and Charon might be viewed as roaming orphaned moons, looking for a planet to orbit in the inner solar system. They actually appear to be part of a larger group of dwarf planets that probably came from the Kuiper Belt. It appears that Neptune's Triton was once part of the Pluto family. Pluto's system orbits retrograde at 57 degrees. Neptune's Triton also orbits retrograde at 53 degrees. Triton is almost identical in composition to Pluto and Charon. Neptune is also knocked over 30 degrees. These clues and the fact that their orbits intersect makes it hard to not wonder if Neptune and Pluto once met in a possibly catastrophic event.
For more fun explanations and new ideas about our universe, pick up a copy of Time Waves on the Shores of Forever, Paradigm-Shifting Solutions to the Mysteries of the Universe. Available in paperback book at Amazon.com.